Hi, good morning, March 9th, about 9:10 in the morning. S&P is up almost 2% on the day. Now, depending on wherever you get your news, Bloomberg, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Investing.com, they're great at providing market updates, analysis, a lot of stuff after the fact. Here's an example. After the close yesterday, Investing.com put up this headline. And, that's great, but I want to know what's going to happen before the fact. And how's that even possible? Well, patterns. They're everywhere. Yesterday, there was a pattern I shared that the market should bottom around 1030 and then move higher. Let's take a look at a chart from yesterday. Here you can see this is 1030. Market did move higher, then came back in, tested the 1030 price, rallied almost 3%, and then dropped 3% into the close. You had a big late state. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so the last 3 hours of the day, market dropped 3% with some clear volatility in between there, and closed right around the 1030 price, 1030 a.m. price. So why is that even important? Well, if you pay attention, there are patterns around the world, and a lot of people say, Eric, why global macro S&P? Hello, S&P is the last market to open in the world, right? You have markets in Asia and in Europe and in the U.S., stocks, bonds, currencies, energies, metals, even grains that can help you identify the direction of the S&P. Yes, it's important to look backward after the fact, but I want to look forward. I want to know what's going to happen in the S&P. And yesterday, the pattern that said the market would bottom around 1030, that's a statistically significant, logical, symmetrical, persistent pattern. And there's more. Yesterday, Euro-Yen, Bund, Eurostox all said the S&P should be supported. And what's happening today? Well, market's up almost 2% again. Excuse me, not again. The S&P is up almost 2%, but the Eurostox, the DAX, European stock markets, Euro-Yen, clearly bid, and the Bund clearly offered. Let's go back and rewind the tape for those Warner Wolf fans. Let's go to the videotape. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's the S&P again yesterday. Let's go to the Eurostox yesterday. Yesterday, Eurostox is up almost 2% open to close. Let's take a look at the Bund yesterday. Down about 1% open to close. Let's take a look at the Euro-Yen from yesterday. Up almost 1% open to close. And let's go back. Let's just stay here. Look at the Euro-Yen. It's taken off. Let's take a look at the Eurostox. Also bid. Let's take a look at the Bund. Clearly still selling off. So clear signs yesterday from around the globe that something was coming. I actually mentioned in my LinkedIn video, maybe something with the Russia and Ukraine, maybe some announcement was going to happen. Markets were saying something was coming. Clearly, at least as of right now, markets are digesting maybe good news in the Ukraine. Who knows what it is? It's all going to be reflected in the price and time / pattern, right? Patterns can help you invest smarter. It removes emotion. Clearly, I'm emotional because I love to compete and I want to win more often. Yeah, data is important after the fact, but looking at that data and being able to identify patterns can help you win more often in the S&P. And you know what else can help you win more often? The E-mini S&P. So as of today, it looks like the S&P wants to move higher and go higher. And you know what? If it doesn't and it starts heading lower, well, you know what? The E-mini S&P futures contract can go from offense to defense like that. So if you have questions about why global macro S&P or why the E-mini S&P, give me a call. Glad to answer your questions.